already in normal times, and even more particularly in times of economic crisis, bet on your best marketing asset, your customers, to develop your online reputation and increase your sales or ensure a better recovery of your business when the time comes. Your customers and prospects love video. You don't believe me? For information, 59% of executives prefer to watch a video rather than read a text on the same subject. This same study tells us that 4 times more customers prefer video to text, and this preference goes beyond web content, since it has been shown that the inclusion of the word video in the subject line of an email increased open rates of 19%. Clicks jumped to 65%, and unsubscribes are down by 26%. Knowing this, bet on creating video content and give your customers a voice to explain why they recommend your products or services, and publish their video testimonials on your website and on social networks. The new online platform smarketingvideotestimonial.com allows you to make testimonial video from a very attractive price of 20 Swiss francs, 18 euros or $20 per video. Thanks to the smarketingtestimonial.com platform, SMEs and freelancers have now the same tools as large companies to develop their online reputation and find new prospects on their markets. So don't hesitate and join the rank of smart entrepreneurs by subscribing to our introductory offer right now.